In this episode of Horrible Housewife, learn to spend less than 1 hour in the store with your whole family, fill 2 carts up to the brim, and spend around $200.
But I'm going to show you on my computer. There's an app called Reminders. The Reminder app comes standard in every single one of the Apple products. If you click on it, this is what's awesome. It's not just reminders of, I have to go to the dentist. No, you can do anything and you can make your own folders. So I have one called Shopping. It updates in real time. Once you cross something off, it goes away. Let's say we need milk. We type in milk, go ahead and you type in, eggs, butter, juice, whatever you need. If you're done with it, you just click and it goes away. The great thing about this is that since it's updating in real time, you can take your husband and yourself and your kids and you can split up. And if you put them in order of the store, which doesn't really take that long because you can drag it in order, someone starts at one end, someone starts at the other end, and you meet in the middle. And we both can cross them off at the same time so we can see what we need to get as it goes along. So that's amazing because it takes half the time and you're making sure, it's a double check to make sure you got everything.
All right, Daddy, how did we do?
We did good.
So, all right, this is $211 in less than an hour of us both going with the kids. All right, guys, so how do you feel about splitting up to get the grocery shopping done?
It's good.
It was good. Why was it good?
We got more items faster.
Yeah. How fast would you say we went compared to normal?
I can't read. It was pretty fast.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Would you tell everybody to do this if you have to go with your parents?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, we did have 62 items.
Yeah, we got it done in less than an hour. How long does it normally take to go with Mommy?
A billion meals.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, boy, no.
Yeah, boy.
Well, as they say, out of the mouths of babes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch my first video on how to save a lot of money using coupons.